According to research done by Forbes, 45% of businesses, I have the graph right here, and it's a research that's been done on 2020, 45% of the businesses are failing because lack of planning. प्लान किस चीज़ का करना है? लोगों का, सिस्टम्स का, प्रोसेसेस का, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का. ये जो प्लानिंग है इसमें कुछ स्ट्रैटेजिक डिसीजंस होते हैं जो अगर गलत चले गए तो शायद आप अपने बजट्स या टर्नओवर्स अचीव नहीं कर पाते. What are those strategic investments that you will do in your next year? And if you focus on them, I can guarantee that you're getting more closer to your success. Well, there's a detailed program, and the program is called Aram actually, and I'm going to share all the details about ये budgeting activity कैसी की जाती है और किस तरीके से we all will ensure you that you will lead a bigger success. But before you do that, it is very important for you to realize that if you don't plan and if you don't plan it strategically, you may burn your money, you may lose a lot of money in the journey of your scale up. Thank you. My name is Dr. Yogesh Pawar, founder of School of Inspirational Leadership, and I'll be more than happy to help you and assist you in doing your budgets right. Thank you.